Yo, what's up, y'all? See Syntech, and I just want to start the video by saying there's rain outside. There's a thunderstorm right now, so if you just hear, just ignore it. But today I have the Moto G4 Play, and I think I'm gonna have to say rest in peace to it, cause you can see right now what it's doing. It has a boot loop, and it's getting on my nerves. So let's start the video. So yeah, we have a Moto G4 Play here, and it's kind of screwed up. Now, I think the boot loop issues is because, well, I just kept it on my wall. So here's what I do. So on my wall right now in the kitchen, I have a ZTE Blade Vantage, and what that has is the weather and it has the time, and it's pretty useful. So I keep that there, and this was the phone that used to be up there, and it had Velcro and everything. You can see in my all my phones video, but it was up there, and now it's just boot looping. I just saw it on the wall one day and it was just showing this Motorola screen. I'm just like, oh, okay, what's up with this? So what I did was I took out the battery, I put it back in, like I did a whole bunch of stuff, and this thing still wouldn't turn on. I tried flashing the firmware, which I don't even remember how that went. I don't even think I could do that because, well, some unforeseen mistakes. I don't even know what that means myself, but I'm just having issues with this thing and I can't really fix it. So this has been doing this for, I don't know, maybe 3 months now, and it's just, I can't figure it out. Not until recently, I actually went on Amazon, I got a new battery for this thing, like fresh OEM battery, and it still doesn't work. So this is actually the old battery right here, and that's what I will make it think that it was boot looping, because you can see the condition of it is not very good. But now, like if I look in here, if I have fingernails, that would be easy to get into, but I don't. But you can see here the new battery's perfectly fine. Like, look at the conditions compared to this. Like, I mean, that's like night and day. But, well, it still don't work, so it has to be the phone's hardware. I'm thinking maybe the motherboard or something like that's bad now. So I think I'm gonna replace it. I'm not really sure, and that's why I put the question mark in the title. So it does say rest in peace, but I don't really know if I can call that a fatality because I think I'm gonna get it fixed. So I will keep you updated on that. This is actually a really good phone. It has Android 7.1.1. It took them way too long to get to this, but it's here. Oh, wait, hold on a second. Look at that. You see that? It's actually turned on? Wait, it's freezing now. Okay, so that is definitely new. Let's hope that this doesn't turn off again. Wait, yep, there we go. So it just boot looped again, and I don't know what to do about it. Maybe if I freeze it in the freezer or let it get hot, I don't really know. I'll keep you guys updated on Instagram or something like that. And yeah, that was pretty much it. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one, and peace out.